Hello, everyone. I'm now in Congo. This is a 2 ton per hour palm oil mill from our company, from our Huatai Sales and Oils Machinery Company. Yeah, now I show you this production line, how it's working on 2 ton per hour palm oil mill. Now, the workers now is loading the palm fruits into by the lifting machine. Then he will go to the sterilizer for cooking for sterilizing before trashing. Now we can go here. Now follow me. This is the sterilizer. After the palm fruit go into this sterilizer. After cooking about 40 minutes or 15 minutes, then the palm fruit will come out and go into this pressure to remove the palm fruits from the palm bench. So here is the palm imported palm bench after after the pressure. And see, it's very clean. No, okay. So now after the palm fruit removed from the palm bench, then the palm fruit will will go to the digester by this screw elevator. From the Auger's screw conveyor, he will go to the digester. After the digester, he will the palm fruit will go into this palm oil press. We can come to see. Yeah. This is our this palm from oil press is our patent machinery product. Yeah, this is very suitable for the small capacity, like 1 ton per hour, 2 ton per hour. Yeah, this is the pampas. The pampas, the fibers will come out from here. Yeah, this is after press. The fibers and the palm nuts will come out from here, and the the palm oil will come out from the pipe and go into this tank first, and then pump into another tank to remove the water. So this is the process. This is the process of the palm oil process.